Hi everyone, I'm JP Singh, a Delhi-based Microsoft certified professional. In this particular video, I'll discuss about hyperlinking a picture, object linking and embedding again through a picture, and one tips and tricks for inserting a picture inside the cell or displaying a picture. When you are going to click on the cell or take your mouse pointer over the cell, you will get some informative picture that you want to display. So that I'm going to cover in this video. First of all, I'm going to discuss hyperlink. This hyperlinking is a very easy terminology. We are linking something. Hyper is a many thing. So we can link anything using hyperlinking, like an web page, like an image, like an file, anything. But in this scenario, what case study we have is we have some information about a fabric design code and the detailed information about that. For example, I have a fabric design code D001 which has a quantity available this price is this much, discount provided is this, and this is the net price. And we can have other so many fields in this, the what is the fabric, what is the other design pattern, and other thing, description of that. My requirement is a very simple. Each and every design code show me the information about the picture of that design code. So here in this Excel, if I want this D001 design code has which picture, I want to see that picture in Excel sheet. So we can do the hyperlink by going to insert, and there is an option called link. The shortcut is Control K. Is a one way. You can right click here and there is a link option. You can use that option also. So both are same. So I click on that option. This window will appear, and this window will tell you when you click on to the design, we have an option to pick an image. This can be a file, this can be any other thing. We are working on pictures, images. So I click on that, I click on OK. So what happened in this? One picture is linked with this particular data or this particular cell text. So when I click on that, the path you are able to see here will displayed in a desired or selected application. So I click on to this and we will see it will display in some other application the design of D001. So this is a one way. In that way we have to link all these from D1 to D10. But the important thing when you are hyperlinking, if you are sharing this file with someone, you have to share the folder of pictures with that person. Otherwise, you are not able to see the images when you click, and you have to take care about the path also. Now, next is when I click on OLE. OLE stand for object linking and embedding. So we can link any object, we can link any object. In this case, object is a picture, and we can embed any object. Again, in this case, an picture is an object. The example or the case study we are taking, I'll go to insert, then I'll go to picture option. So I'll click on insert picture from this device. So we have so many design here. So I insert one picture. So when I click on this insert, I have a drop down option in insert. So when I click on to the drop down option, I can have insert option which is equivalent to embedding, and link to file which is equivalent to linking a file. So when you click on insert, the copy of a file which is d001.jpg will come here in this sheet. So when I click on insert, this will come. Now you can see this. It is coming in a big format because the resolution is very high. I just make it according to the sheet. But the problem in that case is, how do you understand this particular design is a D001? You have to make an arrow for that. That's a big trouble. So if you are putting a 10 picture, then 10 pictures are coming on a sheet and you are not able to understand which picture is coming for, which picture is referring to which one. So next one is when I'll go to the third way, which is actually I'm talking about tips and tricks. So this tips and tricks of particular example is that if you want to do this, so the solution of that, so you can go right click here. So I go to insert comment. So I go to insert comment. I right click onto the border. And then there is an option called format comment. Then I click on fill effect. So this fill effect, we have an option of texture pattern, and I'll select the picture. So when I'm clicking on to the picture, I can choose a picture from a file. I can click on D1 and I can click on insert. So this is a very interesting option here, lock the aspect ratio of picture. So I check that and I click on OK. Now you can see the aspect ratio is coming according to the image size. So I'll choose it accordingly. It is coming like that way. When you are taking your pointer on D2, it is not showing, but when you are taking your pointer on D1, it is showing the image of the picture. Actually, it is not a picture. I am using comment background here rather than putting hyperlink or OLE. So this is a tips and tricks for that. So when you inserted all the comments, your sheet will be look like this. It's very easy to understand and easy to see the design. You just take your mouse pointer there. You do not need to select the cell, and you are able to see all this in a one way. So what we learn in this video, guys, we learn hyperlinking. This is a one solution for the picture. We learn object linking and embedding. That is again a way, but the problem you understand. But this is a solution which comes as a tips and tricks for inserting image as a background of a comment. So I hope this video will help you in some scenarios. Thank you so much.